So click on the gear icon at the top right of your screen. Then select the payments option at the product settings section. On the payment settings, tap on the payment methods option, which will open up this window, and you can scroll down and search for the Korean cards. After you find it, you can then hover your mouse on top of it and click on this enable button over here. And there you go, you can now accept the Korean cards, the local Korean, on your Stripe checkout page with KRW or South Korean won. Here is the example of one of my payment link with the product using South Korean won, and as you can see, this is the list of the local Korean card that my Korean customer can use at my Stripe checkout payment method. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.